Surface area. Welcome to your notes on surface area. So the first thing we're going to look at is the definition of surface area. The surface area of a figure is the area of the outside faces of a 3D figure. So in order to find the surface area, we take a box like this and we unfold it so it looks like this. And in doing so, we create what's called a net. So, what is a net? A net is an unfolded 3D figure. So a net is made up of faces, and on this rectangular prism right here, we have 6 sides. We have the 4 faces that make up the lateral part of the net. And then we have the top face and the bottom face. So this would be the top and this would be the bottom. And it'll fold up to make a box like that, because this is a net of a cube, where these are both faces. And then the lateral part of this gives you the 4 sides right in here. So when it's folded up, you see the faces, like here's a face, and here's a face. So all 6 sides of it are the faces. So what is the purpose of surface area? Surface area helps us see all of the outside parts, and it's useful because you can find things like the outside of this box. We could look to see how much wrapping paper we would need to wrap this box. So I'm going to write that down. The surface area of the box can't be used to determine how much paper is needed